Once again, we talk about peak performance. You need to have a peak performing culture in order for you to achieve that peak performance. Because peak performance, it means that your brain is engaged, your brain is aligned with that which you are doing. But you cannot be a peak performer if your brain opposes what you are trying to do. So the best way to be a peak performer and to achieve peak performance is to understand what drives the brain, is to understand how the brain prioritizes, the information that it receives, and how it prioritizes fear, how it prioritizes motivation. Because if you understand that, then that will mean that you'll be able to be a close friend with your brain. And it will be so happy and excited that at least someone understands it. So do you really want to be a peak performer? This is the workshop to attend, where you can really get to understand how the brain works and how it processes information. And it will take you to the next level, because without you moving to the next level, it means you are stuck at the bottom. And remember, the top is always calling your name. So you've got to move up. And for you to move up, you need to understand the journey and what it takes to get to the top.